to wake your smile. Grab your brush so bright. A little dab of paste, and we're ready to go right. Brush up, brush down, brush them all around. 2 minutes every morning and night.
This entire cartoon, the character, the animation, even the song playing right now. I didn't draw a single frame, and I didn't record a single note. I typed a few prompts and let AI do the rest. Kids genuinely love watching this stuff. And the best part? You can post exactly this on your own channel and start earning from it. No animation skills, no music skills, no editing experience needed. I'll show you the exact steps, start to finish, so you can go make your own. By the way, I'm Alex. And if you want all my AI workflows, prompt packs, and tools like this, you can join our AI creator community. Links in the description. Let's dive in. Step 1. Research before creating. Before touching any AI tool, I did the homework first. I looked at the kids' shows that already worked, the ones with hundreds of millions of views, and asked AI directly, why do kids actually enjoy these characters in these episodes? Things like color, repetition, simple relatable problems, catchy choruses. Then I picked a few well-known, beloved characters as style and tone references just to understand what clicks with kids. Not to copy them, but to learn the pattern. From there, I built my own original characters from scratch. That one-step research first, then create original, is what separates a channel that feels random from one that feels intentional. Step 2, lock the character. Now the character gets locked in so it never changes from scene to scene. I don't write this prompt from scratch every time I use my own character sheet prompt builder, so I just fill in a couple of blanks and upload it. If you want that exact prompt builder, that's inside our school community. Just join and grab it there. One generation later, I get a full reference sheet. Front view, back view, portrait, side profile. Same face, same proportions, same style every time I use this character again. This is the step people skip, and it's why so much AI animation looks off. The character quietly changes every scene. 10 minutes now saves the whole episode later. Step 3, storyboard. The episode, I storyboard it to match the song. Since the song is built around a verse, chorus, outro structure, I map each panel to a lyric line. Instead of jumping straight to video, I turn that into a full storyboard. Panel by panel, camera angles, actions, all lined up with the lyrics using a reusable storyboard builder prompt. For this part, I open Design AI and choose GPT Image 2.0 as the model. That's the one I've had the best results with for character consistency across panels. Show finished storyboard. 4 to 9 panels, same character throughout, story clearly readable, lyric line noted under each panel. Same character, same style. Every panel, because step 1 already locked that in, and every panel already knows which line of the song it belongs to. Step 4, animate it. Upload or that single storyboard image to the video model. Still inside Zine. I switch over to the video section and choose Cdance 2.0 as the model. Keep the prompt simple. Animate this storyboard as one continuous scene. Preserve character and style consistency. Kid-friendly pacing, natural camera movement. No text. Ambient and character sound effects only. The storyboard already did the hard work, so the video model just brings it to life. Step 5. Write and generate the song. Here's the step I get asked about most. The music. I don't compose or record anything myself. I just paste this prompt into Open Music AI and let the AI generate the music for me. Here's exactly what I do. I click the AI music generator, paste that prompt in, and hit generate. I don't touch any of the settings, I leave everything as default. Then I just wait for it to finish. By the way, I'm using the free account for this, so you can try it too. It comes with free credits. Links below if you want to check it out. Once it's done, I get a few versions back. I'll choose the first one, click download, and pick MP3.
Time to wake your smile. Grab your brush so bright. A little dab of paste, and we're ready to go right.
That's the whole pipeline, and it's fully repeatable. Same characters, new story, new episode, every time. If you want the full workflow, the character sheet prompt builder, the storyboard prompts, and the music prompt, all of it, join our school community. Links in the description and grab it there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.